Hey everyone, this is Neha. I welcome you all on this channel. So we are living in the era of social media where people are getting more and more knowledge from the social media channels. So now some influencers have said this, that Sikkim is exempted from the tax. But here we need to understand what are the legal factors around it. Is it really exempted? Is it really like if I am a Sikkimese person, so I don't need to pay any kind of taxes? So in this video, we are going to discuss about it. So without wasting much more time, let's start this video. But before moving further in this video, I have a small request. Please subscribe for our channel so that you will get the notification and we will get the motivation. Let's start this video with 2 GK points that you need to understand before moving further in this video. First point, Sikkim was declared tax-free during the year 1975 when it was merged with the India. So after the merger, Sikkim became the 22nd state of the India. And then this tax-free state is governed by the Section 371F of the Indian Constitution. The state had its own tax manual from 1948, but in the year 2008, the budget was declared and introduced a section. That section was Section 10 subsection 26 AAA, and it specifically provides exemption for the taxes for the Sikkim. So now, as the separate section has introduced for the Sikkimese individuals, now we have to read just this section instead of the whole text manual that was applicable for the Sikkim. So now we are going to talk about this section. So let's understand in details who are the people of the Sikkim who exempted from the tax. That is our main important point here in this video. First point. Please focus on your screen. The entire individual whose name is recorded in the register maintained under the Sikkim Subject Rules 1961 immediately before the day of 26th April 1975. That is a day before state of Sikkim merged with the independent India. As I told you that during 1975, Sikkim was merged with India. It means on 26th April 1975, the register was maintained and whose name of the Sikkim individual was entered in that register is exempted from the tax. So here, first main important date is 26th April 1975 that you need to take care. Let's come to our second point. Further, the benefit of the exemption is also extended to those individuals whose name is recorded in the register of Sikkim subject by virtue of Government of India order number 26030/36/90 ICI dated the 7th August 1990 and the order of even number dated the 8th April 1991. Now we have to take care of these two dates. One is 7th August 1990, second is 8th April 1991. So whose name was entered in that register of these dates, those are the people of the Sikkim who are exempted from the tax. Now let's come to a third point. Also includes a person whose name is not recorded. Now this is the point which is important for us. Whose name is not recorded in the aforementioned register, but it is established beyond doubts that the name of such individual's father or husband or paternal grandfather or brother from the same father has been recorded in the register. It means if my parent or grandparent name is there in that register, I am exempted from the tax if I am a Sikkimese individual. Now we have clearly understand that these are the people who are exempted from the tax that is applicable for the Sikkimese individuals. Now let's understand what kind of the income that is exempted for the Sikkimese individual. So now all the income that a Sikkimese resident of Sikkim is earning by the way of salary, by the way of dividend, by the way of any other income, by the way of business or profession is exempted from the tax. See this. A Sikkim person, a Sikkimese individual is not supposed to pay any taxes. But where in India, in the rest part of the India, we are paying up to 40% of the taxes. So now I think become a Sikkimese is a good thing. So now maybe people will start saying that, oh God, let me get another berth in a Sikkim city only. Now let's come to the exception for it. So there are few conditions that you need to take care. One is the individual must be the resident of Sikkim. If you're not the resident of Sikkim as of now, you cannot take the benefit of all these things. Second, you should earn all the income in the Sikkim only. If you are earning anything from outside the Sikkim, that is taxable. Now again, another very important point: if a Sikkimese woman marries to a non-Sikkimese person, will not get the benefit of any kind of tax exemption. So all the benefit of this section will not be applicable to that Sikkimese woman who is married to a non-Sikkimese person. So this is all about the Sikkim taxation. I hope I made myself very much clear. And if you are from Sikkim and you are watching this video, I really want you to comment on this channel, because Sikkim is one of my to-do list that I need to visit in my life. I think Sikkim is very beautiful. So maybe in one fine day I'll be able to visit Sikkim and will be able to meet you. So if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can call me on the number 8375831676, or you can directly write to me at canehagupta.com. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.